Welcome to Upskilling in PowerPoint. Today I want to discuss with you some quick ways of how you can deal with a list of bullet points. We've all received slides like this, an endless list of bullet points that is very dry and boring. What can we do with it to help our end users stay engaged and to help the presenter feel more confident about their presentation? I'm going to show you 3 creative ways that we can work with bullet points. The first will be with photos, and then icons, and thirdly, I'm going to show you some infographics. The easiest way to deal with a bullet point is to just put a picture on the side that speaks to the bullet points and what the speaker is trying to present. While this isn't my favorite method, it is fast and it can be effective. A better way is to split up the bullet points into exactly what they're trying to say, just the main points on the slide only, and then grab some photos that match what they're trying to say to tell the story. You want to think, how do I tell the story? What photos are going to help tell the story? In what order should I put these in to tell that story? This is another layout with the photos, and you can see I've added a couple other graphic elements just to enhance the look and feel of the slide. The second way is through icons. It's exactly the same as photos, only you're using icons. In this case, I put a bar on the side with the icons on top. In this example, you can see I've colored the icons, put a little line, and I've colored the text. Again, what helps tell the story? Just think through what it is you're trying to communicate and build your slide in a way that is effective. My favorite way to deal with bullet points is through infographics because it's more of a visual, it's more of a storytelling tool that you can use. And you can see this one is an arch graphic, an infographic, and my next one is more of a tower and building. Finally, you can put all 3 together as I've done here. I've got photos, I've got icons, and it's designed like an infographic. Thank you for joining me. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.